We have read that human beings in the Paleolithic age led a life of a hunter gatherer. They wandered in search of wild animals and gathered wild plants. They did not have any permanent place to live and lived on treetops and in caves. But this pattern of life considerably changed when humans entered the Mesolithic Age or Middle Stone Age. During this age, they used smaller, sharper, and more polished stone tools called microliths. There were also changes in the climatic conditions at this time. There was adequate rainfall, dense vegetation, and forest. With better tools and harmonious climatic conditions, life became easier for prehistoric humans. Early human beings could get their food with less effort and it did not require them to travel longer distances. Neolithic humans probably attracted animals by leaving food for them outside their camps. Eventually, they tamed the gentler animals such as sheep, goat, cattle, and also dogs. They domesticated animals because they helped them in their day to day life. How did they start farming? Farming was probably discovered by the observation that when seeds fell on the ground, new plants sprouted from them in a few days. Domestication of plants and animals marked the transition from nomadic life to settled life. This period is known as New Stone Age or Neolithic Age. This period is very significant in the history of humankind since this period witnessed the transition from hunting and gathering to agriculture and settlement. Humans became food producers from food gatherers. Neolithic humans prepared the soil by breaking the ground with stone hoes and digging sticks. They also used microblades. Neolithic people in the Danube Valley practiced agriculture using the slash and burn farming method. It's a form of shifting agriculture where the natural vegetation is cut down and burned in order to clear the land for cultivation. Neolithic people started building proper dwellings. They lived in circular or rectangular houses made of mud and reed. They cultivated ragi and horse gram and even rice. Neolithic sites have been excavated from Mehergarh in Pakistan. From the Neolithic settlements of Mehergarh, we have found evidence of wheat and barley cultivations. These are some of the pictures of Mehergarh, which is now in Pakistan. The invention of wheel was a revolutionary event in the history of mankind. The wheel was invented in a long drawn out process which happened over a few stages. Initially, our ancestors placed logs of wood. Can you see them? Yes, logs of wood beneath heavy objects so that they could be moved easily. Then they loaded anything heavy on a sledge as it was more convenient to drag. Later, human beings also used the wheel for spinning of thread, which in turn was used to make coarse cotton. Pottery was invented during this period. Initially, our Neolithic ancestors produced handmade clay pottery baked in fire. Pottery was used to store their food grains. They also needed pots for cooking, eating, and drinking. This map shows various Neolithic age sites in India. Some of the places which are given in your textbooks are Mehergarh, Pakistan, Davojali Harding, Chiran in Bihar, Payampalli in Tamil Nadu, and Buzaham in Kashmir.